This is my buddy Austin's 1972 Opel GT. It originally belonged to his grandfather, who last registered the vehicle in 1975. Since then, it has been driven a total of 200 miles and only has 32,000 miles on it today. The vehicle has spent most of its life in a storage facility and was running when it was last parked many years ago. When Austin's grandfather passed away last year, he inherited the car. He just recently trailered it from Ohio, and today we begin the process of restoring it to its former glory.
Meow.
I'm excited to detail it because this is honestly going to look brand freaking new inside and out once we're done.
Oh yes.
Cleaning it up. Wow.
Definitely. Because all it is just a little surface, like
yeah, like there's some
you know?
mold on that over there, but I mean it's all phenomenal, and it's tiny too. Like it's not gonna take us that much time to
yeah.
get it cleaned up. And then the seat, besides this one rip that's up in this top corner up here, I think that driver's seat's pretty freaking mint, which is honestly unbelievable.
Yeah.
Oh, check it out. How much would this seat for? Boom. 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 That's the air conditioning system right there. We'll leave that open so it can air out a little bit because it definitely smells like something's dead in there. Whoa. Wow. That's a testament to how light this thing is and how small these tires are, because it's like
no effort.
Without power steering, actually driving it required more force. Is that the boy?
Yeah, he was just pulling up there.
Yeah, let's go.
What's up, dude? You guys are doing great.
This is probably the most horsepower pushing this thing it's ever had. That sounds like some Flowmasters on a tube.
Oh my god, that sounds exactly like some
That was an 08 Camaro that just drove by.
In an 08?
Yeah, like the original remodel or whatever.
That's awful. That sounded like it was from the 60s.
I am autistic. Holy shit. Nicholas.
Stick to my grind, I won't move. Says she want me, man, she too late. Down to my team, can be too vague. I figured out something today.
Tried tow haul because I haven't been using it when I pulled it down from Ohio. I was like, let's see what tow haul does, and it was like, I think it's just too much. I mean, a little bit of gas, and we're just
Yeah, moving.
moving.
Yep.
Oh, I said gas. I fucked that up. I'm gonna get so much hate. It's a diesel.
No one watches my videos, bro. No one's gonna care.
Yeah, I'll flame you. Don't worry, I will be in the comments.
Alright, you're good. Just roll the rest of the way. Yeah, let's not trust these brakes.
It works if you pump them, but
Bruh.
that's a coat. Not the Louis Vuitton.
Is that Burberry?
This honestly looks like a seat cover.
That's Burberry. The original
Such a
color.
beautiful
Was
blue.
it blue?
Such a beautiful blue.
Yeah.
Why'd it get painted orange?
I don't know. Good question.
If it,
Yeah, it was
With how low
repainted.
miles it has, nobody knows. It was a shitty respray too.
yeah.
Oh.
What'd you find?
Yo, a manual.
Really? Who needs a manual?
Bro, this is sick.
Actually, that is pretty cool. It's got some diagrams in there.
Holy crap.
Thank you, bus driver.
The rear has, no, that's why the parking brake doesn't work, Vic.
What?
The drums are in the fucking passenger seat.
It won't even read the battery voltage.
A service manual from 1996, and the odometer is 200 miles less than it is currently.
Yeah, Austin, this battery needs to go on a T-Rash.
We got Uptown Girl by Billy Joel, Rosanna by Toto, Love Train by the OJs, Your Mama Don't Dance, Loggins in Messina,
Sounds like a Soul Train
Crocodile
episode.
Rock, Elton John, Don't Stop, Fleetwood Mac, What a Fool Believes, the Doobie Brothers,
That's a
Sarah
fucking
Smile,
mix right there.
Hall & Oates,
Honestly though.
Rockin' Me, Steve Miller Band, Ramblin' Man, the Allman Brothers Band. Well, that low-key might slap. Might have to
Come
throw
check
that
out
in.
this air filter.
Bro, I wonder if that's like worth something. Hold up.
Bro, that's fucking raw, bro.
What? Oh my god. You can't even pick it up without it falling
I might
apart.
get the new car.
Very in detail. It says,
Let's check out what's in this radiator.
This will be
Should
interesting.
explode with hot fluid. Holy shit! That's green! And it's full!
Impressive.
Ozzy, come look at this.
radiator's
The radiator fluid
Yeah.
is green, yeah.
And it's full!
It got flushed in 2010. Wow.
Who is metal?
What's this shit?
That's my dad.
There's some plastic. There's some wood. Nah, there's some wood.
Damn.
It smells like gas.
I wonder why.
Probably because there's gas.
Nah,
Nah, probably not.
definitely not.
What's the deal over here? What did you break this time?
I'm just looking at that. I think these are factory. They're still the German Bosch.
How did they look?
Pretty nasty.
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's get the plugs in. Sounded. I wasn't expecting the starter to sound that good.
Yeah, no, I just had. And you gapped them?
They
he
were
did.
set to 0.25. I read that factory stuff was 0.3 to 0.35, and I figured that since all the electrical stuff is old, we'll probably be better off at 0.3 because that's easier on the electrical system.
The book says 0.027 to 0.031.
Okay. Yeah,
Is
so
what
we're at
that is.
0.03 then. I'll just put like 2 gallons in case we gotta disconfigure the fuel
Yeah,
system.
it takes more. Oh my. Ready, boys?
We're ready.
Whoa!
There's fuel. It's probably flooded now, honestly. I wouldn't give it any gas. Hold up. Keep it going. Nah, it couldn't have flooded that
It
quickly.
could. It
don't
won't-
think so?
Nah.
I won't flood that.
Nah, just keep it cranking. We'll hook the battery tender up to it if we need to.
Whoa!
Whoa.
It's taking a second. I think the next one, I'm gonna let it sit for a second.
Yeah.
Yeah, let us sit for a moment.
I don't know why it just shot fuel out, but I'm glad I didn't have my eyeballs open.
This is it. This is it.
Stop. Let me hook up the battery tender to it. So,
Whoa!
Whoa!
try to see what that noise is, Tyler. I see the radiator fan.
Yeah, that'd be the fan.
Get back here. Okay, you're great.
I'm about to start letting a little bit of gas.
Hey, feel it. Look at the job that's going on with the fan.
Yeah. Well, it stopped when you're off the gas.
Alright, it's idling right now.
No way.
It's under its own power.
Wow, that's impressive.
That's definitely the fan.
Ah, I think it's hitting the shroud. Let me see the light.
Let's see what we can figure out about that fan shroud, and then let's try to take it for a little drive.
What did it do? Whoa! Wait, oh my god! It is. Whoa! Whoa!
1970!
Wait, put it all the way down? All the way?
You said.
Not the
No! No! Whoa! Does it work?
We got Jesus, please!
In the war room behind closed doors. This battle begins in the secret closet. Hallelujah. On your knees.
Everybody on your damn knees now. Everybody on your knees.
Get him on!
And the victory is
Woo!
what manifests in the natural.
I want some cheese, Austin.
So busy trying to fight that
There's the oil.
There's the oil. Somewhere to key.
Guess what? A good fight is a fight you win.
A good fight is a fight you win. You hear that?
Somebody ought to say yes.
Yes! Woo! Let me in. What are these? Are these the brakes?
Yeah, those are the brakes. Those are the brakes.
What? Wait, whoa.
That's why Nick and I are holding on to the side of the car while it's rolling.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Well,
Have fun.
okay.
Alright.
I guess if I'm holding the camera, I gotta be doing stupid things with you. Right?
Exactly.
Okay. Does it actually have no brakes?
It has fronts.
That's it?
Yep.
The rears aren't connected.
What rears?
The rear, oh.
The ones that are sitting in the passenger?
But y'all, it's fluid. I want to encourage you to get in the flow.
Hey, are the brakes working at all?
We fully ran out of braking right now.
It's moving on the shoulder.
That was the best it could do?
That was all. Well, we ran out of power. I'm not going to go any further.
It's flowing on the trust.
Well, I have no brakes.
Are they working with the brakes?
I can't.
On the choir.
What do you mean you
On
can't?
the youth.
I have no brakes.
No, it's flowing on every ministry. Lead
Not even a little bit?
somebody.
Whoa.
You came in.
Oh, Jesus
Whoa,
Christ.
she moved, bro.
Right now. Let you be right now.
Whoa.
Walk right, talk right, love right.
Oh, God, I ain't got no brake. Whoa.
Is it for, are they for real not working?
Nah.
See, the anointing is not only a burden
Okay.
moving, you'll destroy power. But thirdly, and I'll let you Jeff take your seat. Then thirdly, if this fast has taught you nothing but one.
I'm gonna need to slow. I'm gonna need to stop. 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 I'm gonna need to stop.
Hallelujah.
Is it neutral? It's in drive.
Park. Okay.
The third deposit of the anointing is God's ability coming
Well?
in human flesh to do.
Cut it hard. Hard. Like go to
Put it in neutral.
Hell yeah, you're in. Yeah. Give her a victory rep.
But I want to hear from the outside.
Yeah, let me give you. How's that idling?
It idles really. It doesn't stun or nothing.
It sounds like
It's strong.
a whole lot better now.
It's strong.
Tell me when you're ready. All right. Bro,
Yeah, she got some carbon in there.
she runs.
It does.
though.
Yeah.
Now the trans may not be happy.
Well, it runs and moves under its own power.
It may not work.
Not CEL. No, OEL. Oil.
Yeah, it's gotta be oil.
Actually, German oil is ooh. Yeah.